Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to connect PayPal to WooCommerce. First, you will need to log into your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to the WooCommerce settings. Once inside the settings, click on the Payments tab. You will then find the PayPal standard option. Simply enable it to begin the integration process. This initial step is crucial for setting up your online store to accept payments. Next, it's time to configure your PayPal account details within WooCommerce. You'll need to enter your main PayPal email address in the provided field. For added security, configure the PayPal identity token, which helps verify transactions. Also, ensure you set up Instant Payment Notification, or IPN, within your PayPal account. This allows PayPal to communicate transaction statuses back to your WooCommerce store automatically, ensuring smooth order processing. Now, let's look at some advanced options and crucial testing. It's a good idea to enable the debug log to help troubleshoot any issues that might arise during setup. More importantly, set up a PayPal Sandbox account. This allows you to perform test transactions without using real money, ensuring everything works perfectly before going live. You can also customize the payment page description for a better customer experience. Finally, it's time to go live and implement some best practices. Once you've thoroughly tested everything, remember to disable Sandbox mode to start accepting actual payments from your customers. It's also wise to regularly check both your PayPal and WooCommerce transaction logs to monitor for any discrepancies. Always ensure your website has an active SSL certificate, providing a secure and trustworthy environment for all your online transactions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.